Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Revolut pocket. So to do that, let's start from the beginning. Open the Revolut application, obviously, then go to the home page, which is going to be on the bottom left side of the screen. After that, you only have to tap on the More icon, which is here on the right side. And when this menu shows up, tap on Add New Account. When you have done that, you have to click on the second option, which is Pockets. Then the app is going to show you three different pocket types, three different options that you can use: the regular pocket, group pocket, and ref point pocket. So just select whichever you prefer. Then you have to add a name for your pocket. You can type in any name. And you can also select one of these preset options that the application shows you: holidays, gifts, rainy days, education, renovation. Obviously, you can set any background or any style to your pocket as well. And lastly, you have to select the currency that your pocket is going to use. You can set it to cash, crypto, or commodities. You can just tap on any of these options and select the currency that you would like to use for this pocket. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.